Run Deals. Today I'm going to be reviewing this ultrasonic humidifier. Really great. It covers an area of like 323 feet. It has 50 hours of runtime, 3 mist levels, H2O purification, warm mist, and cool mist. It does both. Warm mist, it increases air humidity, it relieves respiratory diseases, and it helps give like moisture to your skin. The cool mist, it improves your sleep, it reduces germs in the in the area, and it also can help eliminate static electricity. It's got an auto switch for like auto shut off. It's super quiet. It's got a nice night light in the front, and then over here in the front it shows the tank level as well. It's a top fill, so you can just lift this up and fill it, or you can take out the whole top and fill it as well. So it's super easy to clean. Just take it all out, clean it, and you're good to go. And that's it. It does 8-hour timer as well, and it has a remote control that you can do everything on it, or you can just touch and it'll turn on, or like I said, use the remote and it works as well. You can do everything on here or on the remote. So it's got the humidistat, you could do the mist level between the 3, then you have the night light as well. Did it turn on? Yeah, so it turns on, it does like between like different colors. Then you have the warm, and it heats up the warm mist, and then you got the ion button and the timer. Everything on here, great. It works amazing. Highly recommend this product. You know, it's really great to have at home. So I hope you enjoy. Bye. You can also visit Run Deals mobile app for even more deals.